It's finally here, boys. It's finally here. The Sons of the Forest. It's out.
You know what we're doing? We're grinding this shit. We're gonna be grinding this shit.
Hey.
Let's get it.
The forest. The Sons of the Forest. We're going normal, of course. We're not trying to die straight off the bat. Alright. No, we'll watch the intro. We'll watch it. Fish eye.
Bicycle was some 500 feet below ground. Still in Mexico. You're not gonna find anyone alive down there.
Papa stressing. They don't look like grey eyes. They look like brown eyes. Fight demons. Oh shit. A very underwhelming crash from a helicopter. Oh, fisheye. Oh. Alright. This is the forest. Oh, some sticky tape. Put that in my... What are you... This is cool. I'm gonna make you my slave. Make you my bitch. I guess for now you can just follow me. Sick. A grenade. How do I get rid of this? I don't want to throw it. How do I get rid of it? Yeah. Let's equip the axe. Okay, we got rid of the grenade. Can I fuck you up? Oh, give you a little haircut, mate. You want you mid-fade? Mid-fade type of guy? Yeah. Some drugs. A blanket. Nice. 9mm bullets? So there's definitely guns in this game. Oh, carbon fiber arrow. That's cool. Huh. This map is fucking huge. This map is ginormous. No shot it goes around the other side as well, like this. This is huge. Learn the basics of construction. Switch mode. Oh, that's cool. Chair. Bone chair. Okay. I like it. MRE. That's cool. Which one is it? Is that the beef patty one? Let's give me this. So, what do I want to do? Is there anything else around here that I need? I need some meds actually. I'm low health. Look at that shit. Pop them. Just chug the whole bottle. Sick. Oh, bird. Oh, you can fly away. Oh, it's got a rabbit. Oh, what? How many hits does it take? I'll take the feathers though. Is that a rabbit? Oh. Just put that in my pocket. Okay. What do I want to do? I'm full health, so let's go explore this cave. Where's this cave? I'm guessing it's right here, with the dead bodies sitting at the front. Yeah, there it is. Oh my god. Whoa, can I have your sticky stick? Hey, Kevin. Oh. Ooh, a slingshot. I like that. What does it use? Rocks? Where's my... Is that it? No? Oh my god. Oh! Yo! No way! Dude! That's sick. Where's my slingshot though? I didn't know that. Oh, here it is. Yeah, it does take pills. Okay. Those lights are so cool. Okay, we're taking the axe. And a light. Whoa. Alright, first cave. I'm not scared, you're scared. Whoa. Oh my. I prefer the other one, the other lighter. This light sucks. What is this purple shit? Can I get that? Oh, okay. Okay, I really don't want to go down there, because I feel like it's no return down there. Or should I just send it? Oh, there's something down there. Okay, I can get back up. I can get back up. There's just a few dead bodies down here. Can I get down there? Can I? Is there a prone button? Or is that just crouch? What was that anyway? So I'm assuming I need a zip line to get. Wait, didn't I get a zip line just there? Yeah. I probably need something to hook onto that. Yeah, those lights are sick on there. Yeah, don't think I have anything. Okay. That's cool. I just noticed there was no signal in the cave either. Do you guys have anything else on you that I need? What was that? That was blue. Might as well take some while I'm here. Alright, let's go to that purple icon. Okay, my GPS is... Does that mean something's bad is near me? Does it mean I'm getting close? Is this purple thing like a boss? Or is it a cave? That's where I'm looking. Oh. I feel like my GPS is about to blow up. What do you think, hey? There's some alcohol here and some rope. And some more rope. Some wine. Can't grab that. What is it attached to? Oh, okay, that worked. It just fell down. A person fell down. Ah, lovely. Thank you for the gift of the gods. One of my best friends hanging from a rock. I hope that wasn't fisheye. I'm gonna cry if that was fisheye. Okay, can you shut up? A flashlight! Let's go! I don't want to use it now. Alright, let's go to that next little circle thing right there. That circle flashing orb. Oh! There's a cannibal. Is that a cannibal? He's walking very human-like for a cannibal. guess we can test how strong cannibals are in this game on Northern Road. I don't know where he went. There he is. Oh my... That thing looks... There's two. Oh, it's a whole camp. It's a whole fucking camp. Oh, fuck. I am so dead. Please don't follow me. Oh my god. I just ran into a fucking cannibal camp. Are they following me? No, they're not. Okay, we're good. You bitches? Yeah.
Let me talk to you.
Oh, they're following me. Is that a car? Oh my god, can we please tell me we can drive these cars? Please. Oh my god, there's cars in this game. Yo. Okay, you can't drive it. What about the other one? Surely. No. You reckon those will explode? No way. Crafting recipes available. From craft a bow, stone arrow. None of that seems interesting. This car though! Jesus, get a sick montage of this. I could just imagine me putting together this montage. Yeah, get in, Kevin. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Get in there, mate. Another cannibal camp! This one's small though. I reckon I could take this one on. There's only two. I think I could take it on. Do they have weapons? I have weapons. Don't look at me like that. Actually, I have a slingshot. What am I doing? I have a slingshot. Okay. Are you even dying? Or am I just doing this for no reason at all? I feel like this is not hurting it at all. You want the smoke?
Yeah!
Kevin, what the fuck are you doing? I'm literally not even shooting anything right now. Fucking idiot. What else do I have? I reckon I could take it on. Oh, he blocked. Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. What have you got in here, by the way? I'm literally just gonna loot your shit and run. These guys are easy. Get dumped on. Yeah, you just watch your friend get murdered. Whoa, why does that one look so different? These guys are easy. Not even a challenge. Whoa. Skin pouch. Oh my god. Literally nothing interesting. Okay, anyway. Wait, where were we going? We're going to this one, where? Is that the one we just came from? Yeah, that's the one we just came from. We're going this way. More golf carts. With a cave. Did the other one have a cave? A what? With red eyes. Oh god. I swear the other one didn't have a cave. Also, let's make a can you make one? Build shelter. Oh my god, he looks so dumb. Yo! What are you doing, bro? He wants to sleep with him. He wants to sleep with this guy. I can't even sleep in there, dude. Fuck me, why don't you tell him to remove it? Build clear shelter. Come over here. Come here. Build it over here. I didn't think I had to baby you. Like a little... No, don't thumbs up me. Don't thumbs up me. You know what you did. Build it again, you bitch. Yeah. Do it. Whoa. Kevin. He's a witch. He's a witch. Okay. Let's sleep. Zed. I'm not sticking around for night. That was a really quick sleep. I'm hungry. Yeah, let's copy that. We don't need that. I'm hungry. Protein. Oh, that does fuck all. Whoa, I can see my feet. Okay, let's build a fire. Let's build a fire right here. It's actually really easy to make a fire. Can I put more in? Just beat the fucking fire with a stick. Ah. Did I just start a forest fire? Damn, Kevin, you're getting the dogs toasty. Yeah, Jesus Christ, warming up those toes. Okay, let's go in here. I've never been in here. I'm kinda... I have a torch. What am I doing? Make sure the coast is clear real quick though. That looks fucking terrifying. Oh, that does not make it better. This is not better in the slightest. Are you serious? Oh my god. What was that? I'm hearing things. I'm hearing things right now that I don't want to hear. And I don't know if it's me or if it's my imagination. Oh. No, it's... Stop. Oh. Fuck. Dude! Oh my god. Do I want to go in here? Food and dining. Oh no, I'm scared. You went in there without checking? You're meant to look and then go down, not go down and look. brain bite. Oh, bro, this does not... Bacon bite, steak... Oh, it's bacon, not brain bite. I'm an idiot. Give me this food, though. I feel like this is endgame. I feel like I'm about to go and kill the final boss and lose epically. If I see one thing, I'm... running. Is that a trip mine? Oh, it's a fucking vacuum. Why does it sound like R2-D2? You're not doing a very good job in here, mate. Look at all this blood. They need to fire you. Oh. Bro's jiggly. Bro's mad jiggly. I thought that was a zombie for a second. Can I touch that? Did I just sniff it? I don't want to go near that, kinda. Okay. If I hit one of these, will you wake up? I feel like... I feel like I'm about to get like... Oh. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Can I get up? I swear to God, if I get jump scared in this cave now. Okay. We're chilling. We are chilling. I'm just getting as fast as I can out of here. I don't know what that is, and I don't want to find out. Why does it keep on getting more and more often? You know what would have been a great jump scare? That would have shit me. If that guy was gone when I got out of that cave. Like if this guy just disappeared, I would have actually cried. Is it just tea? Light? Oh yeah, hell. I heard something. Yep, I was correct. I did hear something. Oh my fucking God. Why are you so ashy? Don't come near me. You're just getting slaughtered in your life. Don't do it. I'll kill you. Come on. Come on. I killed you. Oh, there's more than one. More than two, I should say. Oh, get fucking body slammed. Come on, you want some of this? You want some of this? Oh, there's more than one still. You want the smoke? Come back, you pussy! No, stop fucking doing that. You know what I need? I need to pop some energy bars real quick. Come on, 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 come on. Stop running away. Oh, now you're running away, you bitch. What's the time? Okay, I still hate the time of the day. I'm gonna chuck on some meat. Actually, no. Can I just... ready to fucking shot put my plate at them. Just throw my meat on there. smells good. Kevin, K-Dog. The fuck are you doing? Yeah, get over here. Why do you run? Bro just flexed on it, did the hardest flex, and walks away into the bushes. I saw that. I know you saw that too, Kevin. You may be stupid, but you're still Kevin. What are you doing? Did you just eat a leaf? What are you eating? What are you, a mime now? Don't walk away from me. Oi, get back here. Yeah, I know. I know you like this shit. Is this cooked now? It looks cooked. It better be cooked. Yeah. Give me that, some of that shit. Not even full hunger. Do I have water? Energy drink? Can I drink vodka? No. Oyster. Wait, I thought I had my lights on before. Salmon berries. It literally gives me nothing. Okay, let's pack up. Come on, Kate, you can pack up for me. Take item, no. Build a clear shelter. Goddamn, Kevin. Where's water? This way. Alright, we're gonna go to one of those purple things. Oh! Fuck you. Why are you jumping around like a cricket? You fucking grasshopper? Come back and fight me, you bitch. Wow, you pussy. You pussy. Is that someone sleeping? Oh, they're fucking dead. Why would I sleep in there with them? Give me your shit, by the way. Oh, I'll save you. I'll save you, but I'm not sleeping with you. I'm not weird like that. Oh! Oh! No, Kevin! Kevin! I need some medical supplies. I can see fucking... I don't have any. Meat heal me? Yeah, it does. I gotta take some bites then. That does not heal me. Good to know. I'm sorry, Kevin. Are you angry at me? Fuck out of here. Are you angry? No, he's not. He's okay. All that for 9mm ammo. Probably should be more careful swinging my fucking axe around. I am tired. No. You know what? Please tell me this wakes me up. I'm not tired. I'm not tired, actually. Where? Is it over here? Under this area? Am I an idiot? Am I just stupid? What am I looking for? Oh wait, bro, there's literally a map in the bottom right corner, which is super accurate. Where's the thing? Do I have to dig it up? No way I have to dig it up. It's down there. I think I have to dig it up. Do I have a shovel of some sort? Oh, that's not annoying at all. Is this a camp? I can't see any cannibals in it. Oh. There's a friendly camp. Flares. That could come in handy. Don't hit that this time. Some skulls. Wow, lovely. A blanket. Oh, another shelter. Oh my god. Does that have any link towards the thing I just tried to open? The grave I just tried to dig? So is there a shovel around here? Surely. A shovel? I just yeeted that so far. This guy's got a strong foot. Please be a shovel somewhere. There we go, maybe not. I got a feeling that that's got something to do with the grave. A turtle! Holy shit, how hard are they to kill? I'm sorry, I don't need it! I swear that was way bigger. Huh. Oh, there's a lot of turtles. I'm sorry, I don't mean this. I just... feel so bad for doing this. But I need it. Okay, you can live. What's that? Oh, turtle eggs. Wow. Okay, can I get... Is that a camp? In front of me? It is. I've been here? This is literally the camp I was just... I don't want to retrace my steps. You almost just got destroyed. I don't want to retrace my steps. Goes to the fucking camp I was just at. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Oh, that's changed. Do a fucking barrel roll. Oh, up the ass. What is with you guys? Oh, did you just hit me? Did you just slap me? I'll fucking murder you. Yep. Where are these things? Oh my, I'm almost dead. I'm about to die. I'm running. Oh my god, I almost died. Oh look. Oh, this is the one I've already been at. Wow, I'm great at exploring. There's like food though. Burnt. caves in their camp? You shut the fuck up. Don't cacar out to all your mates. Is that a cave? No, they don't have... So there's no cave at... Oh, I thought I could steal some of that shit. Yeah, no, fuck you guys. Oh, there's a cave over there. Let's go that way. Okay, I don't know how to make a shelter, dude. I'm just gonna get Kevin to it every single time. Build shelter. Don't build it on some dead person this time. Lou just pulls out at his fucking ass. Why do you walk like that? Oh, look at that pretty sunset. Alright, we'll save. And we will sleep. Clear shelter. Thanks, man. Follow me. Okay, so it's over here. I'm guessing this is it with the buckets at the front. Yep. And the skulls. There's never anything good in them. Oh, double. There's a little hole. Okay. Actually, before I go, I'm gonna heal up. I'm already scared. My heart is already pumping. Fuck. Hey man. What have you got there? What's that? Some crunchies? Yeah, you like that? Oh, give me those flares. Oh, is there GPUs in this game? Like, oh, there is. Wow. What's that? The sunset times. Okay, can I get out of it? Thanks. Too bad if you picked up one of those during a boss fight. Whoa, okay, that scared me. Oh my fucking god, I thought someone was running towards me. It was a fucking bat. Oh, that's creepy. Oh, again! That's happened in the last cave. Man, your jokes, they're getting old. They're getting old. And I'm scared. And I can hear something. Man, what the fuck is that sound? What? Nice. Floaty? Random? Please nothing grab me in the water. Oh my god. I can hear something. But what the fuck is that? Is that just a normal cannibal? I think that's just a normal cannibal. There's two. There's three. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? No, 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 no. Oh, there's more there. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Where the fuck did that one come from? I just want to take these on one by one. I got flares actually. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Where are my flares? Oh, that's my legs. Oh, here. I'm an idiot. Yeah, that would be handy. That would have been handy to know before I threw it. Okay. Okay, they're not that. Holy fuck, they take a beating. Yeah, don't come behind me. Oh my. Oh, what the fuck is that? That thing has no arms. And like. What is that? Can I safely eat here? No, not burnt. You're gonna die now. Shut up, you bitch. Take it like a man. Take it like a fucking man. Can I take that on? Or is this like a boss that I shouldn't fuck with? Holy fuck. No, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no. It just came. Yeah, run away. What the fuck? I reckon I could take it on. If I just killed all the other ones. Does that mean it's gonna charge when it does that? No. Oh. I'm not doing it without a flare. I've only got 2 left. Don't come up here, you fucking pussy. I'm calling it a pussy as I'm shitting my pants right now. Fuck it, I'm comfy. Oh, that does so much damage! Oh my god! That 2 hit me! No! What the fuck happened? Where the fuck am I? Oh my god. Where am I? Am I in the cave right now? Oh, okay, I'm out, I'm out. Wait. Did it just... Where am I? Is this the entrance? Oh, I'm here? Yeah, that thing 2-tapped me. Holy shit. I'm not doing that again until I get more equipped. I'm guessing this is like one of the final caves, maybe. Or I'm just super bad at the game. It's nighttime. Oh, it's not. Why the fuck is Kevin all the way over there? Jesus Christ, he went on a mission. Hey, Kevin. So, thanks for the help, man. Who the fuck is that? Imagine he disappears. As two. Is that another one or is that just a log? That's another guy. Oh, okay. People on sticks. Lovely. And he's getting eaten alive. Oh wow, this guy has a mask on. Sick. Balaclava. Yeah, so that cave went great, Kevin. Yeah, there's actually not much down there. Yeah. Look at me like that, you bitch. Doi, stop eating him. Oh, you're so lucky I can't reach. I'm a fucking short it. Alright. I think we'll save and that'll be it for today. Because my eyes are starting to hurt. Build me a shelter, Kevin. Gets me every time. Oh, you actually do walk on it like this and he's building it. What happens when he... Thanks, man. Alright. That was Sons of the Forest Part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I might need to change my underwear.